Have you ever wondered what Ethereum is and why it's so important in the world of cryptocurrency? Well, let's dive into it. Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, is more than just digital currency. It's a groundbreaking innovation, a blockchain platform that has revolutionized the way we perceive the internet and finance. But Ethereum isn't just about trading and transactions. It's a platform that facilitates the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps, reshaping the internet into a more democratic and secure space. These dApps operate without any central authority, giving power back to the people. So in essence, Ethereum is not just money for the internet, but a giant hub for decentralized applications. You might be thinking, decentralized applications? Sounds complex, but it's actually simpler than you think. Let's break it down. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are essentially applications that aren't controlled by a single entity or authority. Instead, they're run by a network of computers spread across the globe, linked together by the Ethereum platform. Now you might ask, how are transactions processed on this network? Well, whenever a transaction is made, it's broadcasted to all the computers, or nodes, on the network. Each of these nodes then validates the transaction, ensuring it's legitimate. Once validated, the transaction is added to a public ledger called a blockchain. This process is unlike traditional transaction processing where a single central authority verifies and processes transactions. And what about Ether? Well, Ether is the lifeblood of the Ethereum network. It's a form of digital currency used to pay for the computational resources needed to run these applications and process transactions. Think of it as the fuel that keeps the Ethereum engine running. So while it might sound complicated, Ethereum essentially provides a platform where anyone can make secure transactions and build applications without interference. So, why is Ethereum gaining so much attention in the cryptocurrency world? Well, a few key reasons. 1. Ethereum's unique ability to support decentralized applications, or dApps. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform that developers can use to create and run applications that aren't controlled by any single entity. 2. Ethereum's secure and transparent transaction processing system. It uses blockchain technology to ensure all transactions are visible and verifiable, making it near impossible for fraudulent activity to take place. And finally, the role of Ether, Ethereum's native cryptocurrency. Ether isn't just a digital currency, it's a fuel that powers the Ethereum network, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Ethereum has the potential to revolutionize industries by enabling decentralized, secure, and transparent operations. It's like a new frontier for innovation and financial systems. So, whether you're a developer looking to build on a decentralized platform or an investor interested in the future of finance, Ethereum holds the potential to change the game.